What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, I got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck. And today we got to talk about an app that just came out that's going to make this camera way more powerful. Okay, YouTube, it's your man BG Tech Life, and y'all know that I love the camera system on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but I feel like Samsung can make better use of it. Well, another company just entered the chat to make better use of these cameras on this device. This device has 5 cameras on here, and all of them are pretty good, pretty quality sensors. But I feel like the software and the processor needs to be updated. But BlackMagic just came out with an app for Android, so now I got it on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Gives you a lot of options and just a lot of control over what your camera is doing when you're getting some good content. This will be really good for anybody that likes to create content with their smart devices, especially if you use an Android and you like to use that Android to get the crispy A-roll. I feel like this BlackMagic camera app could help you dial your camera in and make sure it's in and make sure the audio is correct. Now we take it over to the Play Store. As you can see, I already got it installed. BlackMagic camera. Now this is a new app, but BlackMagic is the real deal when it comes to cameras. Let me show you what it looks like. Now guys, this camera app from BlackMagic is a real deal. You get a lot of information. You can make a lot of changes. You can go through each sensor that's on this device. You can actually monitor your audio. Some of these things I know are in the pro mode on this device, but I mean, you got a lot of settings that you can change up, guys. You can actually change the codecs. Of course, you could change resolution, but you can also do things specific to audio, like making sure you're using the right microphone and make sure that audio is coming through. I know as content creators, a lot of times we have an issue with getting the correct audio at the correct time sometimes. I know I went through whole videos and had some great video and the audio wasn't there because a microphone was faulty or something wasn't plugged in right or a driver didn't work, things of that nature. So I'm really looking forward to getting some use out of this BlackMagic app and testing it. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of the BlackMagic camera app. Some of the things that I thought was pretty dope that I like about this app a lot. So first and foremost, as you can see, we got audio down here. Now some of these things you can see in the Samsung camera app also under pro mode, but there's a couple extras definitely in this BlackMagic camera app. But as you can see, we got the audio letting you know if you're trying to get a one and done and you're trying to record and make sure you got your audio right. Having the audio meter on deck is dope. You also got exactly how much shooting time you got left and how much storage you got left on your device, just based off of the resolution that you're going to be shooting in. And this is a chart for your color and what your colors are doing. And the video that you're taking right now is not doing much because I got the device laid down on the black table. Also up top, you can make a lot of adjustments. You can, really pro mode type stuff. Now, right here, you go to lenses, and I just think this is dope, guys. You can take at the lenses, look at the lenses that's on this device. It'll lay them out for you like so. You got your ultra wide, you got, that's 0.6. You got your wide, that's the 1 times. You got 3 times telephoto. You got your 5 times telephoto. Then you also got your front camera, and then front 2 will be your front camera in the wider mode. But other than that, you can change the FPS. You can go from 60, you can go to 24. A lot of different frames per second you can shoot in on this app. You got your shutter, you got your aperture, you got your ISO, your white balance, your tint, and of course the resolution that you're going to be shooting in. You got 2 record modes for video, and one of them is like a light mode to make the files a little less intense, not as big, and that would be the HEVC. The regular 8.264 is like the heavier, bigger files for your 4K or whatever you're recording in. Of course, you got your resolution from, 8K on this device down to 720. You got your color space. And it'll let you know, you could set it up to have a warning if your device starts dropping frames. You can look at the camera and just a lot of little settings. Enable vertical mode so you can get like that TikTok real type content. And just a lot of different things you can do with the device to, customize it to get in the type of videos that you want. You got your audio. Now this is big. I thought this was, very important right here. If you look, you can change your audio source. You can make sure you're going to the right audio source. Like as you plug in mics and things of that nature, they will show up in this app to make sure that you're recording with the right microphone that you want. You can change the sample rate as you record audio and things of that nature. You got options that you can do with media. You got presets. Then you also can hook up with the BlackMagic cloud. If you already use BlackMagic devices, you could definitely take a device like this, record some video, and if you got like a whole BlackMagic group project, upload it to the BlackMagic crowd and just work it in. Like let's say if you was using this to get some B-roll, but you was using a real BlackMagic camera for your A-roll, like you could actually work your S24 Ultra into that workflow or whatever device you use in this BlackMagic camera APK on. So this is what I'm talking about, guys, because I feel like a lot of times the difference between Android and iPhone is developer support. The app developers got to make better apps for Android devices. And I'm glad that BlackMagic threw that hat into the arena. Now, this is the first version. This is just coming out. There's going to be newer versions, I'm sure, with newer features as they get their feet wet in the Android arena. There'll be certain things I'm looking for in the future from this app, like maybe log recording for video, like the iPhone, which would be really dope and will put the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on a whole nother level as a video camera. But I just want to share that with y'all. This your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.